Acoustic guitar accessories. Each and every guitarist are aware that playing the guitar as a hobby might cost you a lot of money if you are easily attracted to acoustic guitar accessories. And the truth is, most of us are easily fascinated by these accessories and tend to spend a lot more on accessories rather than the guitar itself. And then, at the end, you figured out that the most costly accessory you got isn't that useful at all. There are actually many types of guitar accessories, just like the Martin guitar leather strap button. What you really need are those acoustic guitar accessories which are really useful and one that would make life easier for you and don't cost you that much money. If you want to know more about this, you might want to visit www.acousticguitaraccessories.org. Thank you.